Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. This is a really long overdue video request, and I thought it may be a fun craft for Teemo mains and just generally people that might want to have more fan-made merchandise in their house. Here's a list of everything you'll need. The Minky can be switched for felt, fleece, or whatever fabric you have laying around. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is linked in the description and is for free for my DeviantArt. The amount of spots for the mushroom is subjective to how many you want. I just put the number I used. When you have the pattern, cut out all of your pieces and make sure to add seam where necessary. The first thing you need to do is to take the 4 identical top green pieces and sew 2 together with the tracing facing up. Repeat this for the remaining 2. Place these 2 pieces so that they create a half circle and sew around the curved side, leaving the bottom straight edge open. Then flip this piece so the tracing side is hidden and take all of your purple spots and begin joining them to the top using a running stitch or a backstitch. Sewing the pieces onto the dome before joining them means we can add the spots above the seams with ease. Try to spread them as evenly as possible. Once you're done, flip the dome inside out and begin joining the bottom green circle to the straight edge. When you've nearly reached the end of the sewing line, flip the top the right way up and stuff it. Conceal the open end with an invisible stitch. For the bottom half, join 4 of the beige pieces together along one of the longer sides. Repeat for the second 2. Then place these 2 pieces together and sew together the remaining open long sides. Place the beige circle at the bottom of this piece on the thickest side of the base and sew around it. Flip this piece the right way up and stuff it. Finally, in the centre of the top, use an invisible stitch to join the base to the top. And that is how you make a Teemo shroom plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!